Hey traders, Melissa here with Price Plan Profit. In this video, I'm breaking down what confirmation in a buy zone really looks like and how waiting for the right signs can separate a good trade from a great one. So let's get started. What is a buy zone? A previous demand area with an imbalanced candle. It can include Fibonacci levels and inside candle formations. It's a high probability price reaction zone that's aligned with technical confluences. A buy zone isn't just any pullback, it's a strategic level where I expect buyers to step in. Now, why does confirmation matters? It reduces false breakouts effectively and helps avoid premature trade entries. It improves trade conviction and timing and enhances overall trading discipline. Waiting for confirmation protects you from jumping in too early. It can filter out weak setups and give your trade stronger odds of success. I do need to point out that if my buy zone is a fresh buy zone, meaning price has not tested the levels before, I will start a trade on a touch of the zone with a plan to add to full allocation on a deeper pullback within my zone. That way, I at least have some skin in the game. Here's my top confirmation signals. Higher lows on a smaller time frame chart. So if I'm in a swing trade looking at a daily time frame zone, I'm going to focus on higher lows on a 1 or 2 hour chart. And if I'm day trading, then I'm going to focus on higher lows on a 5-minute chart. I love inside candles followed by a bullish breakout or a momentum shift on a trendy turn indicator, or a momentum reversal arrow on the monster Momo indicator. For those two trendy turn signals and the momentum reversal arrow, I like to use a 30-minute chart. Let's talk about inside candle breakout. Inside candles signal price consolidation. A breakout above the body confirms buyer strength. Look for larger candles on breakouts as it validates the strength of the move. In this example, you can see we were having a pullback into my green buy zone. It was then followed by two inside candles making higher lows and then a breakout candle. This is an inside candle breakout combo to the upside. It would be just the opposite if it was a breakout to the downside. Now let's talk about those trendy turn signals and monster Momo reversal arrows. Trendy turn signals indicate a current shift in the trend, and the Momo reversal arrows show momentum change. They are best used with a buy zone confluence. Once the higher low print, seeing trendy turn signals and or Momo reversal arrows is further confirmation. I don't need all three confirmations to buy in the buy zone, but I must see at least one of these three signals. Now let's look at some live chart examples and I'll show you how patiently waiting for confirmation pays off. All right, this first example that I want to look at is the Tesla daily chart. Tesla did not have good reaction from its most recent earnings report, and it dropped price back into my demand zone or my buy zone. Now, I was wondering, do I buy the dip here? Well, the way that I'm going to look at this is go down to the lower time frame charts. So I'm going to show you on a 1 hour chart that price action where price fell on the earnings report. We created a low right here at just virtually $300. We got a little bit of an upturn And then we came back down, and this is where we made a higher low than the previous low inside of my buy zone, followed by a inside candle and then the breakout candle. Right here in this area at about 304 would have been the time to go long with confirmation in this buy zone. Now let's take a look at another name that pulled back on their earnings report. That is IBM. I first want to show you my buy zone on this daily chart. Here is the reaction on the earnings report that brought price into the buy zone on this daily chart. Now, if I go down to a smaller time frame chart where I would be looking for confirmation signals, I'll show you what that looks like. Here is our low at the very bottom of this zone. We get a brief rally and then a pullback back to the buy zone. This is where we made a higher low followed by an inside candle and then a break to the upside with a trendy turn signal. For me, this is the area that would be a green light to take the trade with confirmation from my buy zone. All right, now what are some key takeaways that I want you to get out of this video? Number one, wait for confirmation signals before fully allocating your full risk to a trade. Patience is key for optimal trade entries. Confirmation reduces trade risk and improves conviction. Observe momentum, candle structure, and your favorite indicators. Confirmation is your edge. Let the setup come to you. Wait for price action to prove itself, and you'll avoid chasing trades that were never ready. If this video helped you dial in your entries and boosted your confidence in the buy zone, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment letting me know which confirmation signal you trust the most. I go live every weekday to walk through these trades in real time. Be sure and check the description below where you'll find a link to join me in the Trendy Trading Room at Simpler Trading. Until next time, wait for confirmation. Check the description for that link to join in. All right? Have a great day.